All right, welcome everybody to the Brad and Squeeze Show. Hello, everybody out there. My name is Brad Bernstein. Squeeze is on assignment today. I don't know where his assignment has taken him, but he's on assignment somewhere. Filling in for Squeeze, we have Invisible Squeeze, who apparently has laryngitis and can't really speak. But I know Invisible Squeeze is here with us. And of course, you already have me, and I'm going to be answering your immigration questions for the next hour or so. We are live on Facebook and at law offices of Spar and Bernstein. Little Nikki, do you have regular Squeeze's telephone number?
No,
Good.
I don't.
Good. I'm glad.
Good?
Yeah, good. Keep it that way. He's in trouble. All right. All right. I am going to have to. I am going to have to ask the people then as I talk here, because we do this all in real time. I'm going to have to ask the people at LinkUp. Hopefully, they are listening. What do you think the odds that they're actually listening? The people at LinkUp.
Hi.
Hopefully it's high.
High. A high degree of probability. Please share Squeeze's page. Thank you. Because Squeeze is not here to give them instructions. So hopefully that is happening as we speak. We have one person, Tanya, has been waiting a while already for immigration questions. Kyle, how are you?
I'm fantastic.
All right, we got Kyle here. We got Spielberg Jr. here still. Little Nikki here.
Good morning.
Invisible Squeeze. We got a whole crew of people.
Full studio.
A full studio. There's not a seat to be had in this place. All right, 1-800-529-5465. So you can watch us on Good Morning, Shani Bay Smith, Vina, Lisa, good morning to all of you. We're going to be answering your immigration questions in about 30 seconds once I get myself organized here. 1-800-529-5465. That's the number to call, 1-800-529-5465. This is the last show of the day. We will not be here at 12 noon. I don't know if you noticed I'm in a tie.
I did. I was going to ask you. I was waiting for the show to start.
Did you notice that I'm in a tie today?
You have a tie and a pocket
And
square.
a pocket square today. If you noticed, I'm dressed up for court today. I will actually be in court later today.
Being a great attorney.
On one of our clients' cases, so I will not be here at 12.
Okay.
It's actually on a personal injury case.
Oh.
It's a multi-million-dollar personal injury case, so I will be there. And hopefully, yeah, money. So hopefully, we'll have some good news for our client by the end of the day today. So today, though, will be our last. Today will be our last show of the day. I will not be here live at 12 because my duties take me elsewhere as an attorney. But of course, we will be back at. On Monday at 9 a.m. So if you do have immigration questions, please call right now, 1-800-529-5465. Shani Bay Smith says, I'm looking very lonely.
No.
I'm not lonely. I got Kyle here.
Yes.
I got little Nikki. I got Spielberg Jr.
You have a smile on your face.
I got
You
a
don't
smile
look
on my
lonely.
face. I got nobody interrupting me. I got nobody to lambaste me.
Invisible Squeeze is very quiet.
I got no, exactly. Invisible Squeeze has laryngitis, he told me. And regular Squeeze is missing. And so I got nobody to lambaste me. I got nobody to make faces at me. I have nobody to direct the show. It's all me today.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a one-man show.
It's a one-man band. I have a one-man band today. Like if I had, you ever see those monkeys?
Yes.
Where the one-band monkey, and the monkey guy's going like this, and then he's doing
Playing
his knees, and he's banging, he's got 5 different instruments. That's me today. 1-800-529-5465 on Periscope. We're at Spar Bernstein on Periscope. And on, let me see what's going on YouTube. me go to YouTube here. And on YouTube at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein, let's see, we got 9 people watching there right now. Good morning, Marissa and Carlene Davis. Thank God it's Friday, Carlene, correct. And on Periscope, we just got a bunch of people watching and nobody commenting. And on my Facebook page here at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. Oh, you know what I should do is I should be sharing this page.
Yes, please share, everyone.
Okay, let me do that right now.
Share to save a life.
So what I will do is I'm going to stop the show right now to actually share. So I'm sharing it onto my own timeline right now. So I just shared my page to Brad Bernstein's page. And Carol Anderson, the Tiger, says she always shares and invites friends. And she can't hear it right now, but she's going to listen later. And good morning, Cordella, and Casey Sweetness also shares. So thank you very much. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. And little Nikki, can you please make a post on our YouTube page, our Periscope page, and our Facebook page that if people are having trouble viewing or watching on one particular platform,
To go to the
they
next.
can go to the next one. Okay, so it seems that everybody is able to view and listen at least on one of the 3, which is the Facebook page at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein, the Periscope Twitter page at Spar Bernstein, or the YouTube page at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. You could also go to the Facebook page at Brad Bernstein and watch there as well, because I just shared it onto my page as well. And of course, if you are still listening to terrestrial radio, which a majority of the people who listen to this show do, you can listen on 93.5 FM in the New York metropolitan area. Kyle, what's up, my man?
Nothing. My spirits are up. It's Friday.
Your spirits are up. It's Friday.
It's Friday. You're Tom Hanks today, controlling the movie. This is your castaway moment
This is
now.
my castaway moment? I never saw the movie. I just know that he talks to a soccer ball.
And won an Oscar.
And he won an Oscar for it.
Yeah.
So this is like what, he's like the one-man show, and
It's
he's
the
doing the
one-man
whole
show,
thing,
basically
right?
2 hours of Tom
Two
Hanks.
This is my Tom Hanks moment, right?
Yeah.
Like I'm on the boat sailing around, right?
And then the unfortunate happened. Squeeze went missing.
Squeeze is missing, right? And the microphone's like the soccer ball, like my friend,
Exactly.
right?
It's Wilson.
Yeah, it's Wilson. All right, 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. All right, let's go to Tanya. Tanya,
Hi, good morning.
good morning.
I have a question. My brother was recently killed in Boston.
Oh my God, sorry to hear that.
Yeah, thank you. The funeral home, we sent an invitation for his father and his brother and my cousin,
Right.
which is his cousin as well.
Mm-hmm.
They went to the embassy in Jamaica,
Right.
and they got turned down. And when I called the hotline that they gave me the number for over here, they told me the reason why they got turned down is because they don't have any ties to their country and they might not go back.
Yeah, but this is for a funeral, so they got to overlook some of this stuff sometimes, especially
That's
if he
what
got.
I'm saying. Have a little compassion.
Especially if he got killed. How did he die? Was it sensationalized? Is it in the news or anything?
It's in the news.
It's in the news. All right. So if it's sensationalized, it's in the news, and the kid gets gunned down or gets killed, and it's a terrible situation. You know what? Sometimes you got to overlook ties to your country and have a little compassion that the man's son,
You haven't seen him in over 7 years.
Yeah. All right. All right. Hold on. All right. You'll make an appointment. A phone. Are you calling from Boston right now?
Yes, I'm in Boston
All
right now.
So you can have a phone conference with us, and what we'll do is we'll find out more about your father and what happened, unfortunately, with your brother, and of course, my condolences. It's always sad to see. I assume he's a young
Thank
person
you.
die.
22.
Yeah, too young. And let's see if we can get involved and speak to somebody who can speak to somebody who can speak to somebody to get the embassy to change their mind. And basically, when I say speak to somebody, it's not like I do anything that special, but we'll speak to people higher ups at the U.S. Embassy and present to them what's going on, and hopefully ask them to show a little compassion. So hold on one second,
you.
okay? All right. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. 529-5465. This is the Brad and Squeeze Show with Invisible Squeeze, real life Brad, real life Kyle, real life Nikki, real life Spielberg Jr., right? 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. By the way, is today going to be the day, Spielberg, that we actually start putting clips up on our Brad and Squeeze Instagram page? Will this be the day, or are we just going to continue to film forever?
I mean, we can continue to film and just make like a Lord of the Rings saga.
Yes, we
and
can.
just have like an intense 3-hour thing.
Maybe we should do that because the Spielberg's been filming forever. I haven't seen anything yet.
He's waiting for the right videos.
This guy must be doing some editing job.
He is. I think.
But yeah, we should have some.
Something else? Yeah. So if you want to follow us on the Brad hashtag Brad and Squeeze. We're going to start putting up some, hopefully some funny clips and some interesting clips on our Instagram page. You can also follow me at, what is my Instagram page? It's, I think it's Brad_Bernstein, right?
Yeah, that's your personal.
That's my
Instagram.
personal one. You can follow me there. Had you followed me in the last week, like one of the callers yesterday, she followed me all throughout Colombia. I don't know what I'm going to be doing this weekend, but you can also follow me through the weekend. And you can also follow us at Spar Bernstein. Like us on our Facebook page at Law Offices Spar and Bernstein. You can also just friend me on my personal Facebook page. I'm your friend. I'll be everybody's friend.
Hopefully.
Man of the people.
Yeah, I'm a man of the people. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Cheryl. Cheryl.
Hi.
Hi,
Good
Cheryl. Morning.
Question. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
You see, you're part of the show now. She says good morning to everybody. Do you know? All right, we have like a whole new group here because SMG went off to medical school, right? So he's like going to be a doctor. One day he'll operate on us all, but at the moment,
I don't need him to operate on
you don't need him to. He'll operate on me. I trust him. But we got Kyle now. We got Spielberg Jr., little Nikki.
I've always
been here.
My
What's
first
your
good morning.
What's your question, Cheryl?
My question is for somebody who is disabled, like legally blind, have a stroke, have some kidney problem and stuff, and for them to file their neutralization citizenship, is the same fee applied to them as it applies for a regular person? Like the fees now $700 and some dollars. So for the disabled person, would the fee the same price?
The fee, whether you're disabled or not disabled, the fee applies the same. However, if because of your disability you're below the poverty level, then you can fill out a waiver of the requirement to pay the filing fee. And that goes for people who are below the poverty level who are disabled and people who are not disabled. So the answer to your question is it has nothing to do with the disability, it has to do with their income level. So if they're disabled and they have no income coming in, then they can request a fee waiver.
So, all right, they have an income of steady SSI, like a $1,500 a month SSI.
Right. Well, that's
So-
that would still be below the poverty level because that would be about $18,000 a year, right? If I'm doing my math right, yeah. All right. So yeah, if it's $1,500 a month in SSI, they're still going to get the fee waiver.
So what's the form that they got to fill out differently?
What is the form? That is the hardest question I've been asked in a while because I am, I'm not saying it like I'm making a joke, but I'm telling you, like, I think I'm a bit of an idiot savant in a way because I could look at forms all day long and I never, ever remember the numbers. So I'm on the USCIS website now, and it is the form, you're going to fill out the N-400, which I know is the citizenship, but the request for the fee waiver is the I-912. I had to look it up.
Okay, the I-912.
I-912, correct.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
And by Cheryl, where you listen to us? Do you listen to us on social media or you listen to us on regular radio?
Regular radio.
Regular radio. Hello, 93.5. It's still there, right? People listen on the regular radio.
Yes, and social media, like I go on Facebook sometimes.
Right. Okay, cool. All right. Please tell your friends about the show.
Okay, and the form is, you said I-915, right?
I-912.
Okay, I-912. Okay,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you. All right. 1-800-529-5465. To everybody in WVIP listening, 93.5. We didn't forget you. We know you're there. Sometimes we don't talk about them enough, right? They're driving to work, maybe.
Yeah.
You know, driving their kids to school, maybe. Go to the grocery store, maybe.
Or just sitting on the couch listening to the
Sitting
radio.
on their couch, listening to the radio.
Listening at work.
Listening at work. Stealing some time from work. Naughty on you.
We're not going to tell them.
We won't tell them.
We can't.
Right. 1-800-529-5465. And if your boss, if you're listening at work, your boss says, hey, you're not allowed to listen to it, you tell them Brad allows his employees to listen to the show, right?
Yeah.
Everybody
True.
listens
That's
out there,
very true.
Yeah.
right? So come on. I'm not saying anything I don't allow my employees to do. 1-800-529-5465. We have a whole bunch of empty lines. So if you call now, you will get on the radio with your questions. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Please share with your friends and family. Please, everybody, share alike. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Derek. Derek.
Hey, Brad. Good morning.
Morning.
My wife's have her citizenship interview in like a couple of weeks.
Right.
She wants to file for my son, who is 18 years old. He's here visiting on a visa right now. Should
Right.
she file for him here or back home?
How long have you guys been married?
For like 3-4 years.
Okay, so you got married before he was 18. He's here on a visitor's visa now. Your wife's a citizen, I assume, correct?
No, she's going for a citizen interview in like a couple of weeks.
Okay, fine. And how long has your son been here?
Just like a week or so.
All right, so I assume that, within the next 90 days or so, your wife's going to be a citizen. There's nothing holding her back from becoming a citizen. Is that correct?
No.
Okay. So, assuming she becomes a citizen, hold off on filing for him. Okay. At the 90-day mark, she'll be a citizen. He'll be here for 90 days. She'll be a citizen. We file an adjustment application for him. He'll get everything right here in about 6 months.
In about 6 months. Okay.
Yeah. But
Thank
don't
you so
do
much.
anything. Do nothing right now. Do nothing other than wait for the wife to become a citizen. At the point when the wife is a citizen and he has been here for 90 days, that's when you do something.
Okay, thank you.
All right? All right, good luck with that.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. 1-800-529-5465. That is also the number to the law offices of Spar and Bernstein for people who don't realize what that
Conveniently.
number is. Why am I yelling this number? It is the number not only to get on the radio to ask your questions, but it's a number to Spar and Bernstein. You're calling our office. Is that true, Kyle?
That is true.
Okay. You are calling our office to either make an appointment to see us or see me or to get on the radio. Right? It's the
Right.
same telephone
Correct.
number.
Same number.
Criminal defense, you want to speak to Paul Hirsch, David Moreno.
What's that number?
Department. It's 1-800-529-5465.
Okay.
You want to speak to Carmela in our tax department?
It's the same number, 1-800-529-5465.
What about Adam Russell or Moshe Baruch?
Yes, it's the same telephone number. So shocking.
Yeah.
Shocking.
I wonder who did that.
I don't know how this all just, it's like how the world all kind of works together.
Yeah.
Right? 1-800-529-5465. Divorce?
Megan or Kristen?
Yeah. 1-800-529-5465. Also family court. 1-800-529-5465.
Full service law firm.
It's shocking, that is, right?
Shocking.
Shocking. Everything is shocking. Even Invisible Squeeze.
Yeah,
is
he's
shocking.
nodding in agreement.
Is nodding in agreement. Can't talk, but is nodding in agreement. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Mimi. Mimi.
Yes. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, Mimi.
Yes, I really commend you for not just, advertising for your firm, but for the information you have been passing on in the community. That shows that you really are a good public servant.
Thank you. I try my best.
It's very important that people go to someone like you because you sound really trustworthy.
I appreciate it.
So, yes. I have a question. I have filed for my citizenship about 5 months ago.
Right.
I just moved here to New York, and I know it takes about a year, I think. And my husband is trying to adjust his status based, on my case. And I was wondering if I should wait until I get my citizenship first.
Have you filed for your husband yet?
No, not yet.
So then, you would have to, at this point, wait on your citizenship because if you were to file a visa petition for him, he would be in the F2A category, and it'd be about 2.5 years. And I assume, is he here legally at this point, or has he overstayed his time?
No, he was in deportation procedure, and he had a pending case, I believe. He has a work authorization.
All right, so you need to become a citizen as quickly as possible, especially if he's in deportation. And what I would suggest happen is when you file. Let me ask you this question: when you filed your citizenship, did you file it with your New York address? Or you filed it with an out-of-state address?
No, I filed it with my New York address.
Okay, fine. All right, so you'll be a citizen hopefully by the end of the summer. But what I would suggest that you do, and you fingerprinted already, is that correct? I assume.
Yes, I did that about 4 months.
And there's nothing in your background. You seem like a nice lady, but let me just double check. Okay. There's nothing in your background that would prevent you from becoming a citizen.
The only thing I worry about is the taxes that I owe, but I have a payment plan, which I am.
As long as you're on a payment plan, then you'll be going to become a citizen. Just on a side note, how much you owe?
It was about 10,000. I'm trying to file for. Is it offer and compromise?
Yeah, we do that here. That's what Carmela does.
Oh, okay.
So if you need help with that, you can come see us here at Spar and Bernstein to help you with that.
Oh, okay. So this is the same number. I heard you said that earlier.
Correct. It's the same telephone number to call for tax, for immigration, for everything. So, and even if you file an offer in compromise, it's not going to affect your citizenship.
Okay.
Now, what I would suggest you do is two things. One, speak to Carmel about an offer in compromise if that's something you're interested in. She saves people 99%, literally up to 99% of their taxes. I mean, she has like crazy stories. She comes in like some guy owed $200,000. By the way, he paid $1,000. Done.
Wow.
All right. Okay. I mean, obviously prior successful results don't guarantee a similar outcome, but you should definitely speak to her. It's a free consultation to speak with her. Right. But more importantly, for your husband, I'm concerned if he's in deportation that things go right for him. Let him make a consultation with me.
No, he's not in deportation.
Oh, he's not.
Because I think they just closed the case, but they didn't adjust his status.
Okay, so he was in deportation. I'm now taking a guess based on what you're telling me, is that he was in deportation. He had his case administratively closed.
Right.
Okay. Now he's still technically in deportation. The judge, when you administratively close a case, the judge just says, "I'm not going to schedule another hearing." So when you become a citizen, we have to ask the judge to calendar the case, get an I-130 visa petition approved, and then close out his case, which would be terminating it, and then a justice says. So he has a whole process to go through still.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I understand now.
All right. So hold on if you need help. Hold on, Amy. Okay, and thank you for your call.
No problem.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. By the way, did you see Invisible Squeeze saying you're spending way too much time? He's like going, if you're watching on Facebook, Invisible Squeeze is going like this. I saw him doing it.
I saw him, but I just ignored him.
I just ignore Invisible. If he can't talk, then,
He's, just be quiet.
Right. He was like, too much time with Mimi. Too much time!
The information was valuable. It was worth it.
Yeah, it's Invisible Squeeze, relax, okay? All right. Now I feel like Tom Hanks. I'm really talking to.
It's not Invisible Squeeze. It's really Wilson.
I'm really talking Wilson. To nobody. I'm going crazy here on the radio. 1-800-529-5465. I'm not sure who this is. Hi.
Hi.
How are you, sir? What is your name?
My name is Mohammed.
Mohammed. What's going on, Mohammed?
Thank you very much for your show.
Appreciate it.
I'm a student here in New York.
Uh-huh.
And I just finished my master's.
Uh-huh.
I'm on the F1 visa.
Great. What did you study?
Geography.
Geography?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going for my PhD.
What is it? What do you study in Just out of curiosity, I never heard of studying geography. So what is it the study of? What are you studying actually?
I'm doing urban planning. I'm like urban planning.
Urban planning. I understand.
Yeah.
Got it now. Okay. Wonderful. Got it. All right.
That's what I do.
And now you're going for your PhD. Wow, smart dude.
Yeah.
All right. And
Yeah.
where are you from?
From Ghana.
From Ghana. Okay. And what is your question?
I wanted to ask, because I just finished my master's and I'm required to go to Ghana or Canada to renew my visa.
Right.
Otherwise, I have to stay in this country and I will not be able to travel outside the country under the F1.
Right.
And I don't intend to be stuck here. I want to be traveling around.
Sure.
And I don't intend to go to Ghana because I feel like I'm going to be here for the next 4 years for my PhD.
Right.
And afterwards, I want to work here.
Okay.
So instead of going on the actual plan of going for a new visa and then going on the H-1B and then going on the green card and all those processes, is there a way somebody like me who's on F1 can find a way to get a green card instead of going through all these processes?
Well, you can, generally people on an F1, two things, number one. Okay, let me just take you a step back before we get to green card. Okay, number one, always remember that on an F1 student visa, you have a non-immigrant intent, meaning that it must be your present intention that when you're done with your studies, you are going to return to Ghana.
Yeah,
so when you go to Ghana to apply for a new visa, if you tell them that your present intent is to get a green card, they may not give you the visa. If you tell them that I've already started to process for my green card, they're certainly not going to give you the visa because they're going to say you have an immigrant intent. So everything has to be done in the proper format. Now, knowing all of this, there are 4 general ways that people on student visas end up getting their green cards. One is that, they do the H-1B, then they do the job sponsorship and the labor certification, and then ultimately go for their green card and they get sponsored through their employment. Labor certifications and job sponsorships through employment are very short now. It's only taking about 18 months.
Yeah.
That's one option. Another option is people fall in love. They've been here for years and years and years. They meet their classmates. All right. They meet somebody at the local convenience store. They meet someone at the church. They fall in love. And next thing you know, they're married and that's the way life is. Okay. A third way is that you're a PhD and you have done such fantastic scholarly work that you can demonstrate that you're one of the top urban planners in the United States. You're one of the top urban planners from Ghana, that you have extraordinary ability, and you self-sponsor yourself for a green card. Maybe you are a wealthy person from Ghana, a wealthy urban planner, and you want to invest money in a business. You can do it that way. And even I've even seen on occasion people filing for asylum that they have a fear of going home, but you've just told me you're going to Ghana to get your visa, so I don't think that's an option for you because it doesn't seem like you have much fear. What?
I may go. I have not gone yet, but that's what I'm planning to do.
Right. So, there's options. What I would suggest you do if you want, is make an appointment to come see me, and we can go through everything with you and see what options you have. All right?
All
right, hold on one second, Mohammed. You know what I've noticed, Kyle and little Nikki and Danny?
What's that?
All week, my voice has been cracking.
Because
I just heard it when I said, and you can make an appointment. It just went up out of nowhere. Why is that?
you've been doing a show at 9 and 12, Monday to Friday,
Right.
and you're drinking only cold liquids. You need to soothe your vocal cords, your
Maybe.
voice.
Because I had 2 cold coffees,
Yeah,
right?
I noticed.
And I don't sleep a lot.
That could be why
because
too.
I'm always bouncing off the walls.
Yeah.
And then I have coffee, and I bounce off the walls more.
Are you still working out too?
I'm working out a little bit, but I haven't done since I've come back from my vacation. I got to get back in the routine.
You should.
Yes.
Stay
maybe
healthy.
maybe that will help.
You just need some tea.
Maybe I should be drinking tea instead of cold coffee
Yeah.
With honey.
with honey.
Honey solves everything.
I'm gonna listen to Kyle. I'll listen to Lil Nicky. I don't know if I'm gonna listen to Kyle. I mean, look at what Kyle. I don't know if I could listen to him on medical advice.
It's not medical. It's,
That's medical advice.
I speak a lot.
You
Honey
speak a lot?
soothes the vocal.
Yes,
It does.
Yeah. You see, I don't think you speak a lot. You seem like a very quiet man.
Yeah, I'm reserved.
You
but,
He's
reserved.
reserved.
Yeah.
He seems,
He's reserved.
he seems like he's a very quiet man.
He is very quiet, but you
Yeah.
talk to him and then you realize he's very talkative
He's very talkative
and funny.
and funny.
Thank you.
You welcome.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Yeah, I think Invisible Squeeze and Regular Squeeze are onto something when they have tea before the show and I'm drinking coffee, cold coffee before the show.
Yeah.
I think I should be having tea before the show and my coffee after.
And then you'll have a sexy voice like Squeeze.
Right.
And
Instead of squeaking. Right? He has a sexy voice, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
Very sexy.
When I
voice.
first heard him speak, I was like, oh my God.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
But
did
that-
not have that reaction.
You did
Well,
not
you're
have
a
that
guy.
reaction.
You're a
No,
guy.
he sounds normal.
He sounds
has
normal
a
to
normal
you.
voice.
Normal voice.
It's the accent. That's what's
It's
getting me.
nice. Yeah. Something about that Jamaican
See,
accent.
I'm totally comfortable with my own sexuality. I can say that. I don't have a problem with it.
I don't think he has a sexy voice. Like
You just
Squeeze-
don't think he has a sexy voice.
No, he doesn't have like a John Legend voice that just makes the ladies go crazy
He
every
does
time
have
he opens
that.
his
He
mouth.
does have
like,
that.
I mean, well, John
and by
Legend
the
can
way,
sing. That's what makes
and
me
by the
nervous.
way, he may be listening now and getting really angry at you. But I think he has that John Legend sexy voice. I disagree, Kyle. 1-800-529-54. We're not bashing Squeeze now.
No, it's a compliment.
He's a guy. He's gonna come in. He goes, "Oh, I heard you bashing me."
He's
You know?
Jamaican Barry White.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's got the voice.
He does have that voice. He has that like midnight voice. You know.
Yeah.
The Quiet Storm.
Yeah. 1-800-529-5465. Andrew Moody, we did not forget about page 21. Trust me, they remind me every hour. Even when I'm not on the radio, they remind me about page 21.
Constant text.
Constantly. All right, we're going to take two. Let's do this. We'll take two more calls on the radio. We'll do page 21. We'll do some social media check-in. And then if we have time, we'll take some more calls at the end.
All right.
How's that sound for a plan?
Sounds like a
And that's a
plan.
rundown.
Is that a good directing?
Yeah.
Producing?
Yes.
That sounds like a great show, right?
Sounds like you need extra pay. You're directing, starring, producing.
I am. I'm doing it all. 1-800-529. Who do I speak to about extra pay?
You're the boss.
I'm the boss. Yeah.
Have a conversation
Have
with
a
yourself
conversation.
at night.
I seem to be having a conversation with myself on the radio right now. No, actually, you guys are good. 1-800-529-5465. And let's go to Julian. Julene.
Hi, Brad. Good
Hi,
morning.
Julene. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
What's up?
Okay, I have a question. I have been here a year ago. I came here on a visitor's visa with my 9-year-old daughter.
Right.
However, his father is here. Her father is here. He's a green card holder. We got married. He'll be coming a citizen within the next few months, like in 4 months or so.
Okay.
He'll be applying for his citizenship.
Great.
Should I go ahead and put in the papers now for the filing, or should I wait until he becomes a citizen?
Wait until he becomes a citizen.
Wait until he becomes a
And
citizen?
then just put in a whole adjustment at one time.
Okay.
The
and,
only reason you want to file now is if you think he's not going to become a citizen. Is there anything holding him back?
No.
Okay, so just let him become a citizen, and the day he's a citizen, the next day you can file.
Okay. And when he becomes a citizen, will the child be eligible? Would we have to go back home to pick up the
No, you
documents?
came here on visas. You're married to him. The child's under 18. You and the child will both adjust here.
Okay.
All right. And
All right.
so hold on. You make an appointment to come in. We'll have a consultation, and then when he becomes a citizen, you can come back and hire us if you want. All right.
Okay.
Hold on. All right. 1-800-529-5465. 529-5465. Spielberg is working overtime. He's moving the camera all over the place today. We better have some good shots today. We're going to have some good shots?
Absolutely.
Yeah? All right. 1-800-529. By the way, I think Spielberg directed.
Castaway?
Did he or no? Or that was
I-
Robert. That was Robert Zemeckis.
That's insane that you know that. That's for
And
someone
I
who's
never-
never seen the movie.
And I've never even seen the movie. Is it Robert Zemeckis who
I'll be honest, I
Directed?
don't know what movie you guys are talking about.
Castaway?
You've never seen, heard?
He's on an island.
I feel like if I say no, we're gonna be yelled at.
He's like Gilligan on the boat, except he's on the boat by himself.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, no, he's on the boat and then it crashes and he spends like 5 years
10
on an
years.
island.
Right, like Gilligan. He's Gilligan, but by himself, without the skipper.
Exactly. There's no antics to get into.
professor. Right, he's just by himself.
You're right, by the way.
No, I've never
he
seen it.
directed and produced it.
Robert Zemeckis.
Yes.
I have a good memory.
How did you? Yeah.
Yeah,
you
like-
didn't see
How
it.
do I even know that, right?
I've seen that movie 15 times.
You probably
and didn't know
because of
that.
he won a Grammy. You said
Oh, I don't know.
No,
about
Oscar.
he won an Oscar. You probably know because he won an Oscar for it, and they announced the
No,
director.
I didn't
Well, I don't
know
know.
that he won an Oscar for it. I just have, honestly, I will tell you the truth. I have a really good memory. So, like when I read something at some point in my life, so I must have at some point in my life read something about Robert Zemeckis and remembered that he directed that movie.
That's
It's a
actually
good quality to have as a
Yes.
lawyer.
Yes.
right.
Right. It's a good quality to have to remember dumb facts that have absolutely
Nothing to
nothing
do.
to do with helping my clients. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Almira.
Get dressed.
Almira.
It's a nice day today. We could go outside later.
Almira, it is a nice day. How are you, ma'am? You can go outside later, but you're on the radio now.
Very nice, Steve.
It is a nice day, Almira. Almira! Almira!
Did we get pocket dialed? This is.
I don't.
No, she was answering us.
She
for
was
a little bit.
answering. That was not a butt dial, and then she's on the radio because she has to go through the switchboard to be moved over here.
That's
So she
true.
spoke to somebody at some point.
Yeah.
At least she wasn't cursing out like some guy like you.
No
would've been made
FCC
for-
fines.
What?
No FCC fines.
No FCC fines.
Yeah.
But it is a nice day today.
We'll get back to her. Maybe she'll.
All right, let's go to Rose. Rose,
Good morning.
morning. How are you?
I'm good.
What's going on? Rose, can you just,
Hi,
can you
good
just
morning.
lower the radio in the background, please, because there's a delay.
Okay. I just have a question.
Yes.
My daughter, like, but I put in her paper from Jamaica. She's 30, and she came with her 2 kids, but she did not went home back. I'm just wondering. I did put in her papers already,
How
but
old is
I
she?
wondered. She's 32.
All right. So when did you put them in?
I put them in 2013.
How did you get your green card or citizenship? Who sponsored
I did
you?
marry my husband.
Okay, and he never filed for your daughter.
No, because the thing is, when we did
She
put
was over
in
18.
the
She was
next
over
2
18,
kids, she were too old.
All right. So unless she's somehow 245I, which sounds probably not, but you never know until we meet. And she's overstayed her time here. She has about 2 or 3 more years of waiting, and then she's going to have to do a provisional waiver, go home, pick up her green card, and come back.
Or she has to go home?
Yes, but don't go home without doing the provisional waiver.
So she has, my 2 grandkids is there. One is 7 and one is 13. Can I go ahead and put their paper in now while she's waiting for her time?
No, you cannot. But one of the things you can do is meet with us about whether or not we can do a special juvenile immigrant, and you want to become their legal guardian.
Oh, okay.
All right. So, but that's something we should talk about off the air. So hold on, and then they can get their green cards here. Hold on
All
one
right.
second. Hold on. 1-800-529-5465. All right. So we got to go to page 21. Page 21 is the page in my contract that says I have to talk about USA Credit Repair. I think we should actually call it page 22 because page 22 is the penalty for when I don't talk about it.
Yeah, but we don't want to talk about
We're
page
trying to
22.
stay on page 21.
Stay on page
Yeah.
21. We don't want to get to page 22.
It
Never.
doesn't exist as
It
far
doesn't
as
exist. As
yeah.
long as I talk about page 21,
Yeah.
there is no page 22.
It's
Don't
new.
give Squeeze dissatisfaction.
Yeah, so as long as I talk about page 21, and I that's a good philosophy. There is no page 22, right? So this whole show is brought to you by USA Credit Repair. They repairing your credit's a beautiful thing.
It is.
It is a
Fantastic.
beautiful
Keep changing the slogan.
What is the slogan?
USA Credit Repair is the key to beautiful credit.
Key to beautiful credit.
Yeah,
USA Credit Repair, the key to beautiful credit.
undeniably.
Undeniably, the key to beautiful credit. I like that slogan better.
Yeah.
It is undeniably the key to beautiful credit. So they're our sponsors here, so we have to give them a big shout out. And the telephone number for USA Credit Repair is 1-800-872-7177. That's 1-800-872-7177. Or you can go to wefixbadcredit.com. And if you're not sure what USA Credit does, I think their website kind of gives it away, kind of gives a big hint about what they do.
I'm assuming they fix bad credit.
WeFixBadCredit.com. Undeniably, USA Credit
Is the key.
is the key
To beautiful credit.
beautiful credit. I got that wrong. Undeniably, the key to beautiful credit. USA Credit Repair.
They're here for you today and they're for you tomorrow.
They are here for you today and tomorrow, but it's undeniably a beautiful thing.
It is.
It is. USA Credit Repair, 1-800-872-7177. Call them right now, and you will get your credit repaired. 1-800-872-7177. And if you don't get your credit repaired, they will give you back your money in 90 days. That's their
amazing.
deal. That's undeniably a beautiful thing as well.
It's a win-win.
It's a win-win. 1-800-872-7177, USA Credit Repair. All right. Now it comes time for the speed round.
Thank you, Monique, for posting the link
right,
to USA Credit Repair.
And I'm just looking at Periscope here. French guy in an Italian suit.
Is that you?
I don't know, but I'm not a French
Are
guy.
you French,
No,
Brad?
I'm not. It's Jewish guy in an Italian suit, but not a French guy in an Italian suit.
Good eye for the suit.
Yes, but a good eye for the suit. He was 1 for 2, right? He got the Italian suit right, but he got the guy wrong.
Exactly.
All right, 1-800-872-7177. Habla español? Sí.
Don't
un
no,
poquito.
no.
What? No.
Un
You
poquito.
don't.
Right.
is it?
La oficina habla español.
Yes.
Sí.
Right. Brad Bernstein no habla español.
Pero la oficina es fluent.
Brad Bernstein, español muy mal. Muy mal. 1-800-529-5465. And some guy wants to know, what am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know. What am I doing?
We don't know, actually. We're
What
just
is-
all
what-
sitting with
Periscope
microphones.
questions are so
That's the
retarded. What am I doing? I don't know. I'm just hanging out
Just
here.
hanging out.
All right. All right. Let's go to real questions now. All right. Little Nicky,
Okay.
you want to start?
This is from Sebastian.
Uh-huh.
Can you be out of status if you came here when you was a baby with your parents?
Yes. You can absolutely be out of status.
And Allison Blackstock wants to know, how can I find out if a person is in removal proceedings?
There is, if you know their alien registration number, you can. There's a hotline to call, and geez, what is that hotline number? I just went blank now, and I call it every day. I gotta pull out a phone. It's oh my God! You see, numbers kill me.
Yeah, you have too many
I
numbers.
remember Robert Zemeckis, but I can't remember a telephone number I dial every day. 1-800-8. I want to say it's 1-800. Let me try this. Is that it? Let's see. Whose number is this? 1-800.
Welcome to the automated.
Yes, this is it. 1-800. So if you go 1-800-898-7180. That is the number for the hotline for the Immigration Service.
Welcome to the
And you'll hear
automated
this.
case information hotline. The following information relates to the primary case only. Individuals who are under consideration.
All right. So what'll happen? That, by the way, this woman has worked for immigration for probably 30 years because I've heard that same voice forever.
It's elegant.
Yes. But it always changes every week, so they update their message every week. But I've heard that same voice forever.
Just so I can post a number for her, it's 1-800-898-7180.
Correct.
Okay, there you go, Allison. You can call that number to
All right,
find out.
next.
Okay, can an N600 application be done over the phone? From Phil on Facebook.
We can do it over the phone, but you got to submit it. You can't call up immigration. If you're saying, can I do it? Can I call immigration and do it over the phone? No.
No.
But you can do it with us from Philadelphia over the phone, absolutely, and then we'll submit it for you.
Okay,
Was that his question?
I believe that, yeah, the law firm, yeah,
yes,
he's asking
yes,
us.
okay, fine,
Yes. Okay, this is from Shine Williams. You submitted your I-751, did your biometric, and then your spouse says they are not going to go to the interview with you. What will happen then?
You will be denied. Unless you show up to the interview and prove she's not there or he's not there because of abuse, or you show up to the interview and show you are divorced. So if your wife refuses to go and there is no abuse, you should be running, not walking, not jogging, running to your attorney to start a divorce immediately, and then you can do everything on your own. Now, here's a good attorney who could help you. Brad Bernstein.
What's his number?
I don't know. I've said so many different numbers right now. It's 1-800.
529-5465.
1-800-529-5465. You get tongue-tied after a while. Think about all the different numbers that are going through your head.
Our number, USA credit.
I have problems with numbers, remembering numbers. So that's why I don't remember the form numbers and telephone numbers. I don't know how many times I've said the USA credit number, and I still have it written down in front of me.
Yeah, you haven't committed it to memory yet.
No, and I've said it how many times? Like 10?
10 times per show.
10 times per show.
Okay, this is from Mike Williams. My green card expired 5 years ago. Didn't go back to renew it. I want to know if there's anything that can be done to get back in status.
My green card has expired.
5 years ago, and he didn't renew it.
If it was a 10-year green card, he's still in status. He just has to renew it.
Maybe it was a 2.
If it was a 2, then he's got to file a late application to remove it with a really good excuse why he didn't do it. Either way, we can help.
Okay, give us a call at 1-800-529-5465. That's all I have for... Oh, no, Andrew Moody asked the same question as yesterday. If your spouse does not like wearing a ring, will that be a concern at the interview?
No.
No, you're fine, Andrew.
You're fine. She doesn't have to wear a ring.
Okay, and how long...
I've never seen... I have never seen a decision come down that says, you do your taxes together, you have children together, you have 1 million documents together to prove that the two of you live together. We're going to deny you because your wife didn't wear a ring. There's lots of ways. In other words,
that sounds like something from a sitcom.
Exactly right. It
I don't
sounds
like
a
jewelry,
Seinfeld
so.
thing, right?
Yeah,
Right.
exactly.
Wear the ring, Jerry. Wear the ring.
Okay.
It's just the totality of circumstances. Wearing the ring's not going to make a difference.
Okay. This is from Lisa. How long does it take to get your permanent residence card?
I don't know. Depends what you're doing. Some people I've seen people take 3 months. I've seen people take 30 years.
Really?
Yes. And anywhere between. Depends on how you're doing it.
Okay. Marvette wants to know how long does it take after filling out documents to hear from USCIS?
Depends what the documents are. I've seen people hear from USCIS in 6 weeks. I've seen people wait 6 years. What documents are we talking about? We need a little more specificity.
Yeah, please be.
Specificity.
Scripps National Spelling Bee started yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah.
SPECFICITY.
Ding.
Specificity.
There it is.
Okay.
There it is.
Do you, Anthony Phillip on Facebook, do you go through an interview when your son filed for you? Do you have to have an interview if your son files for you?
Sometimes the interviews are waived. Depends on whether they have any questions for you. I've seen it go both ways.
Okay, and Devon Harding, a person who has filed order of voluntary of deportation more than 10 years ago and never left, married to a U.S. citizen, has an approved I-130 in process. If the case reopens, how long will the process take?
About 1.5 years if the case reopens. You've been ordered. She took a voluntary departure. When you take a voluntary departure and you do not depart, it turns into an automatic deportation order. So that person's living here with an order of deportation, warrant for arrest, blah, blah, blah. will need help, obviously.
Okay, and Allison Blackstone, the one you gave the immigration hotline number
Yes.
to, she said she called yesterday and it says there's no file in the immigration court, and she wanted to know if it was accurate.
That is accurate.
So what can she do if she's looking for a specific person or file?
Then that person's not in deportation, or that case, the person's not in deportation.
Okay, so that's a good thing.
Yes, that's why I said if what I said before is they update it every week. So I said I've heard this lady for 30 years on the updated messages. So this woman must have been working at immigration forever. I don't know who she is though.
I think she might be an automated voice system.
No, that's not an automated system.
No.
That
It
was
wasn't?
a real person.
Yes.
Oh, it was?
That was a real.
That wasn't a robot.
That was not no robot.
Oh, she's...
That was a Latita woman. Okay. 1-800-529-5465. I just had a friend come through the airport, and you know, there's a lot of people who are naturalized U.S. citizens who work at the airport.
Yeah.
And you know, people have, you know, accents. And she told me she had the hardest time understanding what the immigration officer was saying.
Yeah.
Because he had a really, really, really bad accent.
That's irony.
That's irony.
Yeah.
IRONY. That's why I was
There it
trying
is.
to IRONY.
You're not such a bad speller after all.
All right. We got 3 minutes to go. Let's see if we
Take one
can
more
speak to Denise. Denise,
Yes.
how are you?
Hi, good morning. Thanks
Good
for
morning.
the show.
My pleasure.
You know, I've actually grew your case, but I finally was able to correct my case based on an asylum.
Mhm.
So my question is, one, will my husband be able to be in the same asylum? We've been here for over 20 years.
If you were
And-
married to him before the grant of asylum, yes.
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
okay. And we actually have U.S. citizen kids as well.
Okay, great.
My second question is, after the asylum is granted, how will we be able to process anything for residency?
After you were granted asylum
Mm-hmm.
and you're approved, you can file to adjust your status 1 year later for a green card.
Oh, it's just 1 year later.
Correct.
Oh, awesome. Only after 30 years being here. That's
All right.
awesome.
All right. Better late than never.
Yes,
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're welcome.
Amazing show.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you, Denise.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let's see if we can squeeze in Wayne. Wayne,
Yes, good morning.
morning.
Yes. Just one question here. I married to an American citizen, and we come up almost 2 years now. It hasn't reached the 2 years point yet. But my wife, she had a problem with my son. He said he's 13 now. He don't have a problem with me, but he wanted my son to go back. What's the process? Because I know that's just a split family. You know what I mean?
How did your son come to America?
Yeah, we come up on a visa. We both came up on a visa.
So who wants to send him back?
Yeah, my wife, she said it's best for him to go back to, because my son is not, the mom, my wife.
So
is
you're having
not-
a marital issue with your wife, and your wife wants to send your son back home, and you don't want to send him home, and you don't know what to do.
No, it's not a marital issue. We don't have a problem with the marriage. We're good with the marriage, but it's just a problem with the son. He said the son doesn't have the manners, and so.
Well, that's a marital family issue. Okay.
Okay.
So what I would suggest you do is, I'm not going to solve your family issue over a radio show.
Yes,
Come in
yes.
and let's talk about all the different options, so you and your wife can live a happy life. Your son can live a happy life, and everyone can be happy. Let's figure it out. Okay.
Nah, okay, no
All right,
problem.
hold
Nah.
on 1 second, Wayne. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Kyle, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I appreciate it. Little Nikki, thank you.
You're welcome.
Spielberg, keep up the good work. I'm expecting something to see something somewhere at some point. Invisible Squeeze, you're fired. We want the real Squeeze back. And of course, everybody who watched us on Facebook at Law Offices Spar and Bernstein, and Periscope, and YouTube, and of course WVIP 93.5. Thank you all for listening. Our show will not be on at 12 o'clock, but we will be back live Monday at 9 a.m. Everyone have a great weekend, and we are out of here.
The proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make the call to 1-800-529-5465. And of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein, located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.